talk to you guys about this multi-tool stove stand that we sell on our website. And this is the one that I used in that alcohol stove. It just fits together like most stove stands do. Has cutouts in it that you can use to set inside the stove. Doesn't matter what stove you have, whether it's titanium, stainless steel, brass, Trangia, Pathfinder, whatever brand it is, this will fit that stove. Now, when we designed this thing, I wanted something that was a stove stand, but I wanted something that could be multifunctional as well as being just a stove stand. That's my mentality. I'm going to carry something, I want it multifunctional. And then I want to think about all the things I can do with that piece of kit. So obviously we used this thing today twice already. We used it on the can opener side here, which is really nice and sharp beveled edge on there, and this is stainless steel. And we opened that can of soup for lunch. Then I took these two cutouts and I squeezed a stick around that can of soup that was hot and put this on that stick as a stay to be able to give me a handle. But the way this thing was designed, it was designed to have a few tools built into it. On one side, it's got the can opener. It definitely has a 1/4-inch hex bit driver here and one here. It has a bottle or can opener here along with a hex nut device. And it has a measurement system across the top of it. One side is inches and one side is centimeters. The other side of it has a flathead screwdriver here, and you can use this for a Phillips screwdriver on the end of this can opener. You have a flathead screwdriver on this one. You also have some map tools on this one for marking on maps. And you have a protractor as well on this side that you can use with a map if you need to as well. That gives you at least the 45s and the marks in between and your cardinal directions on the horizon. And then you have a multi-nut wrench here for common size small nuts that may be on stoves, that may be around camp, that may be on some of your smaller implements, things like that are on there as well. And then it also obviously is a stove stand. So instead of just having one of those multi-tools that you like carry around on your keychain, this is something that's more useful to you in the woods. And you can also use this flathead screwdriver as a pry bar. You can use this thing for twisting wire if you need to by laying it in these cutouts and twisting the wire. There's lots and lots of things that I probably haven't even thought of yet that you can use these for. And I would double this up if I were going to use it for a hex driver because they do line up. If I were going to use this for hex bits, I would double it up to use it as a driver. But there's lots of things I probably haven't even thought of for this multi-tool stove stand yet. And we do have this on our website currently, along with the alcohol stove that we have recently remade to fit our Pathfinder M40 cook set, our Swedish style cook set. It also works well for the larger alcohol stove. If you bought that one earlier on, it works well for that one as well as any other brand, like I said, that you may have. Listen, guys, I appreciate you joining me out today for this quick video. I'm going to get back to the hunt. I appreciate your views and I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, for our business, for all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. And I'll be back to another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.